Hey guys, this is one of my 5 technologies. This is a computer program called Blooms. It's free, or you can pay for it to have access to more resources. This is my Blooms classroom with a picture of me, and then you can see it's similar to Facebook because then you kind of have a background picture. I just put my 3 cats. This is it's like a small Facebook community, but it's just for you, parents, and students if you choose to let them join. So I can private message parents over here. I can create videos, posts, announcements, alerts if there's an emergency. I can share student work. I can comment on behavior, attendance. My favorite things are the event and the volunteer help. I can easily schedule events and ask for parent chaperones for field trips. And for the volunteer help, when we have a class party or I need parents to bring things, you can just set it up on here. And do you need people? Do you need items? You go through, create an event name, and then you can type in items you need, how many you need, and you'll go through the whole process, which it's not going to let me do. And then you post that, and then parents can go in and sign up for those items, and everybody can see what is still needed. I can add pictures here at any time. I can let parents know when there's homework. Over here on the side, we have a whole school group. That's mostly where our principal posts notifications. We can comment on things, and you can't add a post unless you are the administrator of the account. So I am the administrator of my account, and our principal administrates all accounts. There's also a staff group one when she wants to talk just to us and give us information. So it's really nice. Also, if you have a conflict with a parent via your message, it's nice to have your principal as the administrator because they can go through and read the messages and determine right away that sometimes you get accused of saying things that you didn't say, and they can see right away whether that's true or not. So I've been really appreciative of that. I use Blooms on a daily basis. Um, it's a fantastic way if you don't have time to make a phone call, you just go over here and you private message. It's quick and easy, and sometimes it saves you lots and lots of time. So I really like the Blooms computer program. I'm glad that our school uses it.